Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you a very cool AI tool called Brila that you can use to create fantastic websites like this just from mere reviews that you have from your particular website. Okay, like you can see, this website was completely created from reviews that we have on a particular shop called the Top Beans Shop. Okay, so you can see it in here. I've searched for it and this is it. Top coffee shops in Nigeria. I have it here, Top Beans Coffee and more, and you can see it in here. It has a lot of reviews. Check from the reviews, you can see they have about 764 reviews, and from the reviews of people and the images that they've pasted, we managed to create that particular website. So all you need is to start by accessing the website, or you can search for it and go to the maps. For example, let me show you how I've created mine completely. Go to the Google page and you can just search for coffee shops in Nigeria and you can check the maps in here. Okay, so once you come to maps, you should be able to select the coffee shop based on the ones that have very good reviews or based on the ones that have a number of reviews. You can just click on this one, and let's say we are using this Brila. Okay, so you can see the reviews, you can check the reviews, menu, reviews, and about page. And once you're done, you can come to share in here and you'll be able to see the page, the link. All you need is just this map link. You can copy it and you can access the website Brila.ai. Okay, so once you're on Brila.ai, you can see share why exactly customers love your business, and this can help you to form part of your website as a link that you can just easily access and give you a critical analysis of what that website is all about. So your customers already told you in Google Maps reviews why they choose you. So now let AI use jobs to be done method to uncover the patterns and turn them into your own website. So all you need is, if you want to enter the link, you can just get it from here. Go to your Google Maps and just search for that product and then copy the review link and then share. Assuming I have the link in here, I can just go ahead and paste it and say generate this website, and this is now going to go ahead and create that website for me, which is what I have in here, completely created by Brila. Okay, you can share this or you can open it independently on its own. You can check out why choose us, popular menu, customer review, and operating hours. You can check all of these features. If you can copy the link, you can copy and share, or you can copy it, open it independently as a website, and you can see it also, it has opened directly. Okay, so all you need is to access the reviews, go to the website, go to Brila AI and press in the link, and then you can be able to generate your own Google Map, okay, or website directly, and you'll open store hours now closed. You can see some tips from frequent customers, what they are saying about the coffee and so on. Okay, so this is a very wonderful AI tool that you can actually use based on the reviews that you have on your product to be able to create a website that is, you can add value to your own product website directly based on the people's review. So please go ahead, explore this and see how you can use this to enhance your business in any field of your choice. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.